A gardener buys three types of seeds, A1, A2 and A3, and they are mixed in the proportion 4:4:2 respectively and sold as a mixture. The germination rates of three types of seeds are 45%, 60% and 35%. Let us put this information in the events. So let us consider the event E1. A seed chosen is of type A1, and so that the probability of choosing E1 event is, since they are mixed in the proportion 4:4:10, so it is 4 out of the total 4 plus 4 plus 4, 2, that is 10. So 4 out of 10 is the probability of selecting E1 event. And let us consider event E2 is a seed chosen is of type A2, so that the probability of event E2 is again 4 out of 10. And then let's choose E3. A seed chosen is of type A3, so which implies that the probability of this event E3 is 2 out of 10, since the ratio is 4:4:2. The total parts are 10. And also we consider one more event. Let A be taken. A seed chosen which is germinated. A seed chosen which is germinated, then which also indicates that its complement A bar is a seed chosen which is not germinated. And also it can be observed the information, the germination rates of three types of seeds are 45%, 60% and 35%. That is probability of A by E1, that is probability of a seed chosen which is germinated of the type A1 is, the percentage is given 45%, 45, 60 and 35. So let us write, so which is 45 by 100, and probability of a seed chosen which is germinated given that of type 2, that is E2, which can be taken as 60%, that is 60 by 100. And at last, probability of seed chosen which is germinated given that it is of type 3, A3, that is event 3, which can be considered, so 45, 60 and 35%, so 35 by 100. So you can write 35 by 100. And now the first question, calculate the probability that it will not germinate given that the seed is of type A3. So as per the first question, we can write probability of not germinated. Not germinated means we should consider the event A bar, and it is given that the seed is of type 3A3, that is event 3 we can say. So probability of A bar by E3 is nothing but 1 minus P of A by E3. So which can be written 1 minus P of A by E3 is 35 by 100. So we can write 100 minus 35 divided by 100, which is 65 upon 100. that is 65%, or we can write 0.65 is the probability. So the first answer we can consider 0.65. Now let's see the second one. The given diagram represents the situation given in the question. Find the probability of the shaded region. So here it is totally divided into three types: A1, A2 and A3. And the germination seed, which is of given 45%, 60% and 35%. So this we can consider this is red color shaded is A. And first we need to select the type A1, that is P of E1, and then we have to find the probability of germinated seed which is of type A1, that is P of A by E1, and then we need to go for selection of the second type P of E2, and then we have to find the germinated seed given that from event E2, and then probability of the third event, we have to select the third event, third type, and then we have to find the probability of germinated seed given that from third type, that is E3. So which is nothing but your total probability theorem. So let us find the probability of an event A. So by using total probability theorem we can write here second one, by total probability theorem the given shaded region representing P of A, which is equal to selection of first type, that is P of E1 into, and now selecting the shaded region from the type A1 and selecting the second type, and then selecting the shaded region which is of type 2, that is A2, and then probability of the third event, third type we have to select, and then we need to find the probability of an shaded region which is from type 3, that is E3. So which is equal to, so probability of E1 is 4 upon 10, because the ratio is given 4:4:2. So we can say here 4 upon 10 into, and this first part is 45%, that is 45 by 100, and next one again it is a second 4 types, 4 parts, that is 4 out of 10 into, the next one is 60%, that is 60 by 100, and third is 2 parts, that is 2 out of 10 into 35%, that is 35 by 100. So which is upon 1000 is LCM, and here 44 4 times, so we can write 180 plus 64 times, that is 240, and 35 2 times, that is 70. So the total sum is 490 upon 1000, so which can also be written 49 by 1000, 49 by 100, that is 0.49. So 0.49 is the answer for this question.